Hey guys, it's Tony. Welcome to the shop. I've had a couple people ask me how I figure out to do the centers on these really weird pieces I do with the burls on the side, and how do you go about marking it up? So I was going to do a quick one here for you and just show you. I use a centering ruler. So these have a 0 in the middle, and then you just match up the sides here, and this is 4 1/4 on both sides, marks it so you know that this is the center line here at some place on the long mark. So I go ahead and just make a double line on each side of that. And again, I'm not measuring this out to build a jewelry box or clock. We're just trying to find a rough center to do our turning. So I'll go ahead and put a line that direction. And then to find our center the other direction, now it's when the art part kind of comes into it. You got to decide exactly, what you want to include in your unit. So 4 inches comes out to the edge of that burl out there and out to almost the cap there. So I'd move that around a bit and just kind of figure out that here is roughly the center of the entire blank. And that's just going to be my starting point for when I get mounted up on the chuck and with a 4-prong center and a live center on the other end. I'll have a rough idea. This is the actual center if this was a pure square. And then from there, we could put our bowl side centered perfectly over here on this and leave as much of the interesting stuff that we want to leave here. Or we can turn it this way up, have our bowl in the middle here, and create space for a tenon and still leave a bunch of this on the outside here. So that's kind of how I do it. It's a quick and easy method for getting a good starting spot before you hit the actual lathe and turning. All right, man, hope that was helpful. Get out there and turn something.